I looked into Odoo, and honestly, it's one of the few ERP systems that really bridges the gap between small businesses and enterprise-level tools. The biggest advantage Odoo has over traditional ERPs is flexibility. Instead of forcing you into a massive, expensive all-in-one package, Odoo lets you start with exactly what you need: CRM, inventory, accounting, POS, HR, and add more apps as your business grows. The interface is clean and modern, which is refreshing compared to older ERPs that feel confusing and outdated. Everything works together seamlessly, and the automation tools save a surprising amount of time. Even better, you can customize nearly anything, whether you're using the community version or the paid enterprise edition. Traditional ERPs like SAP or Oracle are powerful, but they're expensive, harder to implement, and often overkill for mid-sized companies. Odoo gives you 80% of the functionality at a fraction of the cost and complexity. That's a big reason so many businesses are switching. The only downside is that deep customization might require technical skill, and the enterprise version can get pricey as you add users and modules. But overall, Odoo delivers a modern, affordable, and scalable ERP experience that traditional systems just can't match.